Good evening. How are you doing, great people? I'm super excited. How has your day been? Guys, can I get some feedback? If you can hear me, come and type in one. If you can hear me, come on, type in one. If you can hear me, come on, type in one. Great. Awesome. Fantastic. Super excited. Yesterday, we got started and I introduced everyone to swipe trade. I told you that this week, from now to the end of the month, we're going to be consistently teaching. For everyone who missed yesterday's class, I'm going to be sending the recorded version and you can watch it over and over again. My name is Mayowa Owolabi, and I'm excited to be on call this evening. Our goal is that everyone on the Wealthy Team Profit Arcade be enlightened and be educated on how the swipe trade works. Okay. And I'm also excited to let you know that tomorrow we will be starting the harmonics class, full 3 days class. We'll be attending to harmonics class. Come on, if you're excited with that, type in I'm excited. If you're excited about that, just type in I'm excited. Awesome. We'll be starting the harmonics class. It's a pity a lot of our people is not always on this call. I don't know why, but I will suggest that everyone need to do what? Need to share this over and over again. Very important. Very important. Very important. Very important. Okay. Can we share this with our various teammates? Can we share this with our various teammates? Let everyone be on this call. Let everyone be on this call. It's going to be interesting tonight. Let everyone be on this call. Let everyone be on this call. Can you share to someone? Let one share to another. Let another share to another. And we can get this up and running. Okay. Fantastic. Dr. Ken, good to have you on call. Good to have you on the call. Okay. Yesterday, I showed you some couple of trades that we're running, and I'm going to be showing you the result of the trade so far. Yesterday on the harmonics scanner, let me show you. Yesterday, now, I was sharing with you. Do not want to miss tomorrow's harmonics class. Everyone is a must. Everyone is a must. I'll be sharing my screen with you. Okay. Now, this trade starting yesterday was on the 20th. So look at these trades. Yesterday was on the 20th. Look at. If you can see my screen, type in 5. If you can see my screen, type in 5. Awesome. Now watch this. Harmony scanner, I picked in $46. Yesterday trade, $46. I picked in another 118. Harmony scanner. I lost minus 56. Harmony scanner plus 294 plus 268 plus 261 minus 176 minus 198. So yesterday I closed with, yesterday and this evening to this evening, I have banked in $556. Guess what? The 3 trades that I lost were not harmonic scanner. All the trades that I lost was not harmonic scanner. All the trades that I won was harmonic scanner. Guys, the 3 trades, these 3 trades were a call from another strategy. Guys, but with my harmonic scanner, I banked in over $900, over $990 something dollars. And another strategy picked it up. I'm driving somewhere because I keep telling people, you just need to stick to the rules. You just need to stick to the rules. And guess what? Today already, I've not closed for the day. I'm already in $253 in profit. Already, $252 in profit. So if I plus that with what I have, that's about $700 to $800 already. Guys, you will be so marveled at the power of the harmonic scanner. So I don't want anybody to miss tomorrow's call, 8 o'clock to 9 p.m. I'm going to be doing this every day. I'm going to be doing this till the end of December. I'll be training you myself, and we're all going to be doing it together. If you're excited about that, don't type in, I'm super excited. I'm super excited. Come on, type it in. I'm super excited. Fantastic. Fantastic. Great. Great. Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So what I want to do tonight is to round up what we have started yesterday. That has to do with the swipe trade. The swipe trade has been doing a phenomenal job starting from the beginning of this month. But I got some calls, some WhatsApp messages today and yesterday that they lost some trades in swipe. And I tell them, losing is normal in Forex. Losses rather. Losses are normal in Forex. And because losses are normal in Forex, you want to make sure your profits are more than your losses. Watch this. I took about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I took 9 trades. I lost 3. But in the 6 that I won $553. I only lost just $300 plus. Guys, this is the power of consistency. You don't need all the rules. There is no one holy grail rule in the world of Forex. The world of Forex is consistency. And that is what you want. You don't want to lose your money to the market and you are not profiting from it. You want to consistently be making money in the industry. I tell you, this is important. This is phenomenal. I tell you guys, life is simple when you follow the rules and you're good to go. You are good to go. Okay, guys? I'm going to get started with tonight and I'm going to continue from where we stopped yesterday. We stopped on the swipe. We stopped on the swipe. We stopped on the swipe trade definition. Okay, if you're on the call yesterday, type in 2. If you're on the call yesterday, type in 2. If you're on the call yesterday, type in 2. Okay, great. Great, you can watch the replay. I'll send you the link for the replay after today's class. Okay, swipe trade definition. Here are the terms you will see in swipe trade and what they mean. Number 1 is what is called the symbol. I told you yesterday that when you get a trade alert, what you want to do next is to click on assets. So there is a trade. If you don't want to place the trade, you click on decline. But if you want to place the trade, you click on what? Assets. This trade was sent 26 minutes ago. So 26 seconds ago, rather. So 26 seconds ago. Now, they're telling us to sell. I've been on sale on news on I've been on sale on USD JPY since yesterday. I called it out during yesterday. I called it out today in our various groups, in the Wealthy Team group, and I shared it. So what you want to know is, number 1, your symbol. Your symbol is the one at the top. The symbol, that is the one at the top. Once you locate the symbol, which is USD JPY, you will go to your MetaTrader 4. You will go to your MetaTrader 4 and locate on your quote. Can we see quotes? You will locate USD JPY. You locate the USD JPY. All you need to do is to tab on it. When you tab on it, it tells you new order, open chart. What you are after is the new order. So you want to click on the new order. Let's hold on. We got a trade alert. Euro New Zealand. Okay, let's check that. Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand. Let's check that. If it's a great trade, we can put our money in if it has met our condition. Okay, sorry. Euro Australian dollar. Okay, it has not touched the green line, which is our foremost condition. Guys, it has not touched. However, a divergence has occurred already. And where did I pick the divergence? Look at this, guys. Can we see this? This is one here. A higher, a high, a low. Can we see that? So I'll pick another straight line. I'll dump it on my D. And on my D, so I'm looking for a low here into this box and a what? A low here, which is already high. So we have a low high and a high low. So watch this. This is a high low. This is a low high. So we are waiting for the price to come into this green line and we are good to go. Okay. So that is the alert that just came in. So we are watching out for this and to see how this will work out. Good. Now, the next thing, once you have seen the symbol, is what is called time frame. Time frame is in minutes, hours, small minutes. The smaller minute time frame trades will end quicker than the longer hour time frame. So when trades are in minutes, it will end quicker, but when it is in a longer time frame, which is in hours, it will take longer time to end. The time frame tells you how long it takes for each candle to form. So what does that tell us? It tells us that this candle on New Zealand JPY, this particular candle is, because it's on 5 minutes, this is on 5 minutes. This candle that we are seeing here is a 5-minute candle. When you change this chart to 1 hour, look at, you cannot see, you can see, it's now smaller in it. It's now smaller in it. This is a double bottom. But I've said to myself, I'm not going to trade anything if it's not a harmonic scanner in course of our training. This is what is called a double bottom. Double bottom, double bottom, and a what? A divergence here. So this has the capacity to go down to minimum 24, and you are risking 12. 12 pips risk to make 24 pips. Okay, that's what is called double bottom. Okay, but I'm not going to talk, I just want to brief that to you. So the time frame is very important. Minutes and hour. So minutes, it is faster. Hours, it is longer, as the case may be. The next thing you also want to understand is called trade type. And I said yesterday that trade type is either you are selling or you are buying. So when you are selling, you sell. When you are buying, you buy. When you are selling, it is short, that is, it's going down. When you are buying, it is long, that is going up. Now, you need to also understand that there are what is called order type. What are order type? Order type are the order scenarios, conditions for you to either buy or sell. So we have either buy limits or buy stop, or you have buy limits or buy stop. I will explain that to you as we go on. So we also have the entry price. The entry price is when the entry price is the exact price that you enter into the market. If the trade tells you to enter the price, it is telling you you should enter the numbers that you are selling or buying from. And I told you yesterday that the price could be either instant execution or pending order. So if it is instant execution, that means you are entering into the trade right instantly. But if it is a pending order, that means you are placing a trade to be triggered when the price of the market gets there. So that is what is called entry price. Order type, there are 4 types of orders: buy limit, buy stop, sell limit, and sell stop. Buy limit is of condition when you are projecting that the price will get there and it will keep buying. Okay? Let me explain that to you using the charts. Now, the price is coming down. I want to project that when the price gets to this support, it should go up. This place is where I will set my what? My buy limit. When the price is expected to come and meet this place, this is where I will put in buy limit. However, as this price is coming down, when it starts going up back, here I will set this place as buy stop. Buy stop now means that the price is below me, but when it is going up, it should pick me along and start going up. That is what it means by buy stop. The sell limit is when the price, let me look for a scenario of a sell limit. Good. The price was actually going up. Can we see this? But I am sure that it's coming down. So I will set here my sell limit so that when it's coming down, I can enjoy the roll. So with this, I can put in sell limit. Sell limit means that the price is on a buy, but I want to join it when it's going down. That is sell limit. Then sell stop is the price is coming down, but it has not gotten to where I am going. So here, I will join and say, this is my sell stop. Watch, guys. Sell stop. So here will be sell stop. You are expecting it to come down, but you want to join it. Here will be sell limit. You are expecting the market to come and pick you here and start coming down. So you didn't enter in sell limit, but you still want to join the train. How it's coming down, you will come to the lowest low here and you put in sell stop. So with this, the sell stop will trigger you when it is coming down. Australian USD. Let's check it. Guys, this is a potential sell. Are we ready, guys? If you are ready, come on, type in 10. Type in 10 if you're ready. Awesome. Good. Now, why are we looking at this to sell? I want to sell this because one of my condition, Australian USD is on sale. The time frame is H1. Australian USD again, the time frame is H4. So I have two time frames telling me that the currency is about to sell. So what it means is that this place, this zone is a major zone that is working for Australian USD, one, and it's also working for Australian USD on 4 hours. So this two time frame is two conditions. So what I want to do is I want to enter this trade after I see a red candle. Now, look at this green. Guys, as the price touched the green line, guys, as the price touched the green line, no. So I want to make sure that the price touches the green line. When it touches the green line, I will go to 5-minute candle, guys, and check if, and check if a red candle forms. So I want to wait, guys, check this. The line, the price must touch, the price must touch green line, okay? When the price touch, I will go to 5 minutes, wait for a red candle to form, okay? Also, look at, guys, the red candle is already forming, but it must touch. If it does not touch, don't place it. This price must touch. Now, when it touch, I'm also seeing a divergence. Here is a divergence. Look at this, guys. On the X, this is on the D. So this is, can we see? You will draw from the triangle edge to the triangle top. Then I draw from here to here. This means there is a divergence. Guys, this is up, this is down, up, this is up, down. Guys, this is down, up, this is up, down. I want to watch out until this trade hits the green line. If it does not hit the green line, I will not place it. What you can also do that I don't do all the time is to place a sell limit on this price. Because I have seen my divergence is to place a sell limit. If it works out that way, good for everybody. Another trade here is Australian USD. I want to make sure that the price gets to this place. If it does not get there, I will not trade it. So on the draw sheet, we have Australian USD and Australian JPY. Australian USD and Australian JPY. Australian USD and Australian JPY. Let's check how that goes. Let's also check Australian, Euro, Australian. Good. This is another trade we are also on the watch out for. Okay? We are also on the watch out for this trade. But what I've not seen here, I've not seen a divergence yet. I want to see a divergence. I'm yet to see a divergence. If I don't see a divergence on a deep pattern, I might not put in my money. Now, look at what I did for Euro USD. Look at, guys. It touched the green line. I saw it and I entered. This is my take profit, 49 pips. It got here, went up again. So I'm expecting this trade to come to my take profit. It must come, like 90% assurance. Guys, 90%, 90% assurance, 90%. Okay, guys, let's get back. No, there is only one green line. When you have two green lines, it is on shark. It is only on shark that you used to have two green lines. Can you see this? This is one green line. This is the second green line. It is only on shark that you can have two green lines. You cannot get so many green lines. Don't worry, the harmonics class, should we place the Euro USD? Don't place it now. Why will you place it? It has passed your condition now. The condition is it is when it touch that you must join. You don't join now, it's late already. Wait for the next confirmation. Please, don't join now. Just make sure you wait for the what? Confirmation. If you join now and the trade goes against you, you will lose and you say, Mr. Mayowa. But you must only join trades that meets you while you are on the system. Once it has passed, you ignore it. Wait for the next one. And that is why you also have the 15-minute one. So the 15-minute one allow you to trade, to have multiple trades to trade. Okay? Like this one now, watch. This is 15 minutes. It has touched it. And you also have a divergence. Can we see this? Now, look at it. It touched it, and I've seen a divergence here. Look at the divergence. So you enter on a buy. It's on his way, 25 pips. And the joy of it is that in harmonics scanner, your stop loss are lesser. This is 20 pips to You are risking it to 30 pips, to 50 pips, and to 78 pips. So I'm going to talk about more on that tomorrow, but today we need to round up on the harmonic scanner, on the swipe trade. If you are gaining value, type in, I'm gaining. If you're gaining value, please type in, I'm gaining value. Type in, I'm gaining value. Now, guys, let's round up this. So you have the trade size. What is the trade size? The trade size is how much you want to risk. It is the how much you want to risk per your trade. And I've told you guys, you do not risk more than 1 to 3% of your account. Don't try it. Don't risk 1 to 3% of your account. The highest, even if you are in a problem. You don't try it. You don't try it. You must make sure you are consistent and you are making all it takes. Okay? All it takes. You have all it takes. Please, don't risk. You have to risk between 1% to 5 to 3%. So I'll also show you how you can work with this later on the training. Stop loss. A stop loss is used to minimize your losses. I told you yesterday, don't ever trade without stop loss. I told you, don't ever place a trade without stop loss. I'm telling you, don't ever place a trade without stop loss. If the trade hits this place, it will automatically close out for you. So I've placed the trade today and I lost 3 trades. I'm fine with it because I know I have other days to make more profit. But if I did not put my stop loss, those trades will keep going to losses and I will lose my account. But because I have a system that in 10 trades, 8 or 9 is right, all the trades that I took on the harmonics, I won every trade. All the trades that I picked on harmonics, I won everything. So, but with stop loss, it allows you to manage the trade. Take profit is a level of automatically close. Like some of the trades that you saw here, this trade, any trade that you see here with green, they closed with take profit. Take profit, take profit. All the greens, they close with take profit. The red, they got stopped out. The red, they got stopped out. So very, very important. You don't want to risk that. Always put in your take profit and your stop loss. How to use swipe trade. I have just 15 minutes more. Okay, I'm going to share this video with you. You can watch the YouTube video on how this is done. I'm going to send you the manual, how to place a trade. You're going to watch that and I'm going to also upload it into my video channel so that you can learn how to use the trade, the video tutorial, okay? Very important, how to copy and how to paste. Very, very important. How to use swipe trade. Number 1, when a new trade signal is available, you will get notification on your phone like the one on the left-hand side. Okay, like the notification. Can we see this? You get a notification like a WhatsApp notification. You just get it. And all you need to do is to click on accept. When you click on accept, you accept to see the information. When you click on decline, it also tells you that you have declined the information. Now, it also tells you the signal time when the trade was called. When the trade was called late, once the trade has passed more than 2 hours, a lot of us will still, I like to delete it. All the data is provided when you accept the signal. At this point, all the data is what you will put on your MT4. All the data are given in MT4. Watch. The symbol, you identify the symbol, Euro USD. The time frame, you don't need to identify that in Euro, but it's telling you when it will take time. The sell, it's what you know that I sell here. Entry price is the price that you have before here. Now let's go down. Copy the data of the pointed button. These are the data. Click on this button to fill button. Now when you click on any of the icon, which is this icon, it tells you that the information has been copied. That is what you will paste on your MT4. So Euro USD is identified here. Euro USD is identified here. Once you see that, Euro USD, you go to your MT4 and you identify Euro USD. Watch this. This has shown you USD JPY. So I'll come to my MT4 under quotes, and I will locate USD JPY. Can we see USD JPY, guys? So I'll come to my USD JPY and click on new order. And once I click on new order, this is what I will get. Once I click on new order, it's telling me the information to verify. Can we see? It's telling me sell. Because it is sell and sell limit. Can we see this? Sell limit. I will go to my market execution and I will change it. I will change it to what? To sell limit. I'll select sell limit. Now on sell limit, can we see sell limit? The next thing is, can we see price? 0.000. That is where I will put in my price, which is the entry price. So all you need to do is to type in your entry price on that place. And once you put that in, you have covered one level. At the top, it also tells you your lot size. Now, when you have the lot size is the second tab. Can we see this? Where you have 0.05. That is where you will enter your lot size. So when they tell you use 0.01 of $1,000, if you have $5,000, it's 0.05. So that is what you will do. Okay? On a $500, 0.01. On a $1,000, 0.02. They will tell you all the lot size you are to use. Also, they will also tell you the stop loss. So the stop loss, which you are given on the swipe is what you will put in. is what you put in on the red side. So you put in you've selected sell limit, you have selected lot size, you will enter the entry price given to you on your swipe. Then here you put in your what? Your stop loss. The other side here is your take profit. Now, when you do this, that gives that the place icon, there will be a place button here that you'll be able to place and you can take it up from there. That is how it works, guys. The next thing I'll be rounding up with is the different order type. Buy stop, as I explained to you earlier, is when the price is going up and you want to join. Buy limit is the price is coming down, but you want to project that it will go up on a particular time. So watch this. The price is coming down, but you're speculating that the price will peak it here and it will go up. That is what is called buy limit. Okay? Sell stop, the price is coming down, but you still believe that it's still going down. So you can enter on sell stop. Sell limit, the price is going up, but while it's going up, you know that it will start coming down. That's what is called sell limit. Guys, this is how you work with your what? With your swipe trade. I will upload some other videos on how to practically place trade with this, and you are good to go. This data video, you can access it, and I will also put up this video that shows you how to use and how to place. Very, very important. Thank you so much. Hope you have gained value today. Let us check. Somebody said awesome. Quite understandable. Gaining value, money can't buy. You're welcome, my brother. I celebrate you. Thank you so much for the feedback. I'm super, super excited. Let us check our trades and see what has happened so far. Now, this is not touching the green line, so I won't go there. This also are not touching. Next about now is the presentation for people who are ready to start the business. So please kindly send an email and send a reminder to your guests. So watch out for Australian USD at the price of 0.77092. Watch out. Australian JPY. Also watch out. But it has not gotten to the green line. So those are the things that we are watching out this evening while we are preparing for the meeting at 9 p.m. Now look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Can you see this? That when it touched, it started going up. When it touched, it started going up, guys. You are risking. You're risking 20 pips to make 30 pips, and you still have 44. Take profit 2, take profit 3. Guys, this is interesting. This is interesting. Do you still place a trade on swipe when it is not on harmonics? Yes. The strategy of swipe traders are different from the strategy of harmonic scanner. It is only J Investment that uses harmonic scanner. Every other one uses price action. A lot of them uses price action. Okay? Can we pick up our phone and share tonight's presentation? Can we pick up our phone and share tonight's presentation with our prospects all around the globe? Let them know about this opportunity. Let them know about this opportunity right now. Imagine you becoming platinum 150 at the end of this week, becoming platinum 1000 at the end of this month. If I can do it, yes, you can. Just pick up your phone, share this to the right people, let them be aware, let them join, and you're smiling to the bank. Okay. So guys, thank you so much. I've rebroadcasted. Please pick up your phone, share it with your prospect. Let every one of them come on board. Let them be aware about this opportunity. Don't keep it. 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 Don't just keep it. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for hanging up. I'm going to share the video, the link replay. Okay. Tomorrow we're going to start the amazing harmonic scanner class. Tomorrow we're going to do it for 2 days. Okay, 2 or 3 days. If we cannot finish it in the 2 days, we're going to do it again the 3rd day. Then we'll move to the web scanner. Are you excited about this? Can I get your feedback? If you're excited about this, come and show some love. If you're excited about this, super excited. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Let's get everybody on the call. The presentation starts in 5 minutes. Okay, thank you so much. I look forward to working with you. If you have a challenge, feel free to chat me up on my WhatsApp. Make sure that you're following the rules. I look forward talking to you tomorrow. Do have a great night. Bye-bye.